Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about 3 Galaxy Watch Ultra health features that you don't use much but you should use them more oftenly. So let's get into the details here. The first thing that I want to talk about is the stress measurement and then the subsequent breathing exercises. So if you go into the Samsung Health app on your watch and then go in stress, not only can you see your stress here and the level of your stress against the average, you can scroll up and see your stress throughout the day. Now this happens if you have continuous stress measurement turned on in the settings. Now if you continue to scroll up, you will find the breathing exercises. Now here you can increase or decrease the time of your breathing exercise, but the time depends on the cycles. Now one cycle is inhale, break, and exhale. And you can change the time of these cycles by scrolling up and then go in breathe duration. Here you can set the time for inhale, for hold, and for exhale. Once you've set the time, now that's your one cycle. Now one cycle here is now 19 seconds. Now here when you will tap on the plus button, it will add 19 seconds to it or it will subtract 19 seconds from it. And that is how your breathing exercise is created. And if you go in settings here, you can set your stress to measure continuously or manual only. That's up to you. Now this is the feature that you should use more oftenly because this will not only make you more aware of how stressful you are throughout the day, you can also then go in and do breathing exercises of just a couple of minutes or 3 or 4 minutes and relax. This will make you more calmer throughout the day. Next feature is in the Samsung Health app on your phone. If you go into the Samsung Health app on your phone and then tap on the Together section, here you will find a lot of challenges going on at any point and you can enter these challenges. Now here we have few challenges that I'm a part of, and if you tap on it, you can see yourself and how many steps you have taken against everyone that is doing this challenge right now. You can see your steps and where you are on this track and where other people are and what is your ranking. And this is a feature that you can use to stay more active throughout the day. You can increase your number of steps and you can reach the challenge as well. Now you can create a different kind of challenge on your watch. If you go into the Samsung Health app, scroll all the way down, you will see Together challenge. If you tap on it, now this basically needs that you add some of your friends in this challenge and then you can compete against your friends on this steps challenge. The third thing that I want to talk about is your weekly summary. For that, you have to go into the Samsung Health app on your phone, tap on the My Page, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you will see weekly summary. Tap on it and here you will see your entire summary of all the activities you have done throughout the week. It shows you your average daily active minutes, your average daily steps, your average daily sleep duration, your weekly activity analysis, your weekly trends, how you have fared in the previous week as compared to the week before that, the distance you have covered, the steps you have taken, your weekly intake analysis. If you enter your meals data into the app, your weekly sleep analysis there. So all your weekly activities captured in this weekly summary. So it gives you a very good snapshot of your activity. So these are the 3 features that I believe are not used by a lot of people, but should be used because they are really helpful. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.